attractive. That's
Good morning, Pabzzsters. Today we're exploring some apartments. We're trying to find a new place to live, so we have 3 different meetings or appointments today to see 3 different apartments. We're just getting to number 1, I believe. Fancy little lobby area here. You got a little balcony.
It's a nice shower head.
Bathroom. Okay, so apartment tour number 1 went well. We liked certain aspects to it, but overall we're probably not going to go with this one. They're looking for $2,100 a month, and right now we're paying $1,500 a month. And this apartment was basically like on par with ours, and it's $700 or $600 more per month. So it was a good first option, but we're going to number 2 right now, and we're thinking it's going to be much better option. So. So the apartment complex we just looked at was close to Summerlin, but not in Summerlin. It was in Spring Valley. And now we're going to a place that's really close to the Strip, actually. So these are the only 2 places we'll be checking out that aren't in the Summerlin area. But this place is brand spanking new, this apartment. And it's really close to the Strip, and it looks really cool and luxurious, and we're really looking forward to seeing it. Alright, we made... Oh! That was the wind, that wasn't me. That was the wind. Whoopsie. Whoa. Oh no, we can't live here. We can't live here. So we're in the waiting area, the common room area, because the person that's giving tours is on a tour currently, so we're waiting here. And like I said, this is a brand new place, so I'm expecting the rooms to be really nice. Cold brew coffee on tap. Not fair.
So this is what it will look like. It'll have the floorings, obviously, cabinets, appliances. We do have a washer and dryer in every apartment. They're going to be full size, just like this.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. Wow.
That
That's-
controls your digital lock, your ring doorbell, has your camera on there. It's pretty cool.
That's insane. That's something we've never seen. There's clothing.
So this is the before. So
There you go, Greta. You can just go downstairs and use all this stuff now.
There you go. That's fun.
cool. What do you think?
I mean, I like it.
Ride share lounge. That is cool. I just got off the phone, or actually not the phone, web chat with a talent agency. A talent agency that wants to represent this guy. That was cool. Really cool opportunities popping up for me. We're going to the next apartment right now. Okay, so this apartment complex does self-tours. This is a self-guided tour, so we're alone. This is almost the exact same layout as the first apartment we saw, which is weird. Although the floors are nicer, they're darker, dark floors. I don't really like it. So this apartment complex is right next door to the one we just checked out. And we don't have a reservation, but we're gonna see if we can, pop in, check it out. This one looks real nice.
Here. So when you're done, just hit the lock.
Okay, cool, thanks.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, whoa, look at this.
That's really nice. Ooh, I love when they come with nicer like, furniture already in the
So far, this is definitely my favorite, I think. This one and the second one we saw, but this is in a cooler location, more ideal location in my opinion, I think. Yeah, this is neat. Oh, they got the patio as well. This place also has its own poker room, and it has its own suite where if you have family or friends coming over, they can actually stay at the suite instead of, on your couch or whatever. So that's a first. I've never seen or heard of any place having that before. It's pretty cool. So we ended up spending a little bit more time searching. We saw 2 more places and tried a third, but the third didn't have any 2 bedrooms available. But overall, I think we have a winner, but we have 1 more to do today, this morning. This is the next morning. I'm finishing up editing right now. It was a long day, but we have a lot of good options, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think that's it. Okay, see you in the next one.